Welcome back. You are with us in Closing Bell. Coal India has seen a big surge in today's trading action, and it reached the 400 rupee mark. Nigel is here to tell us about what's the excitement beyond the fact that the market absolutely loves every PSU stock. Nigel?
Well, indeed, Coal India has doubled in the past 9 months and has hit that 400 rupee mark for the first time in 8 years. You must be wondering what has changed, right? Well, investors have moved on from fretting on the ESG concerns. They have come to terms that India's strong economic growth will result in higher power consumption, which means increasing demand for coal, as well as thermal capacity additions. But what is the recent trigger, though? Why is the stock so excited? Well, Coal India's offtake has increased by around 8.5% so far. With dispatches to the power sector, well, it's exceeded expectations. And to the non-regulated sectors, it's hitting record highs out there. And that's a profitable one, right? Well, this has resulted in coal stocks at coal-based power plants hovering around 32 million tons. That's much better than last year, and it's at very, very comfortable levels as well. Well, besides higher offtake, Coal India has reduced the number of employees by close to around 39% in the last 12 years or so. And this is important because employee cost, that's the largest cost component for the company. Higher offtake coupled with focus on improving efficiencies like reducing the employee cost, well, that's resulted in the earnings per share doubling in 3 years. And Jefferies is talking about these earnings compounding by 5% from year on. So though the stock has doubled, well, it may not look very, very expensive on a valuation parameter. It trades at around 7.5 times forward earnings. It also has that cushion of that 7% dividend yield. Put all this together, well, for the first time in the last 8 years, you have Coal India that's hit that 400 rupee mark, guys.
All right, Nigel, thanks very much. Very nicely explained.
Well, thanks so much for tuning in to CNBC TV18. Make sure you follow us and stay updated on all our social media platforms.